Welcome to the Doch Smart Home Solutions. With our intuitive smartphone app, you have complete control at your fingertips. Adjust the lighting, set the perfect temperature, and even ensure your home's security with just a few taps. And if you prefer a hands-free experience, our smart home solution also supports voice control. Take advantage of scheduling features to automate your home. Set the lights to turn on automatically when you wake up, or schedule the thermostat to adjust temperature based on your daily routine. Automation is at the heart of Doch Smart Home Solutions. Let us do homework for you, saving your time and effort. Rest easy knowing that your home is protected. Receive instant notifications on your smartphone if there's a security breach or an unexpected event occurs. Monitor your energy consumption and optimize usage, ensuring efficiency without sacrificing comfort. Experience the ultimate comfort and convenience with Doch Smart Home Solutions. Transform your house into a smart home with Doch Smart Home Solutions, where comfort, security, and convenience meet.